Hello, beautiful. It is so smart of you to already map out your entire year. You already know what you're going to do this year. And this video is finding you not by any coincidence. It is finding you today at this date, today for a reason. Just in time for January 11, which is like 111, I would say. You have been seeing 1111 a lot recently. 111, something about ones, something about 11 is coming up to me. Can you see me clearly or no? Is this better? This is something about your chakras. Whether you know about chakras or not, but your chakras are aligning, literally like aligning properly. Why did I use the word properly? But your chakras are aligning. You're feeling more stable than last year. And sure, it's just been a week since this year started, but you already know what you're going to do in this year. Not just about your new year resolutions and the habits and the mindset, all those things, but spiritually, you know what you're going to do with yourself. This year, you're going to lead with love, and you have already decided that. Something I'm hearing love only, love only. I'm also hearing that your heart is spoken for. Maybe you're in a committed relationship already, or it's so much more than that. It's like your heart has found the right direction. Although this is not just about heart chakra, but I'm hearing a lot about your heart. So this year you're going to lead with your heart a lot, lead with love. And that's why you can feel it that this year is going to be magical. This year is going to be different. You know that. And I'm seeing orbs in my mind as well, like golden orbs, angelic signs. Something about angels is also so significant here. I'm seeing green color in my mind, which is like green color is of heart chakra. But although this is also about root chakra, like I'm going to one by one talk about all the chakras and what you're experiencing right now. And this year is going to be so different from all these other years, and you can feel it. It's because the way you're leading is different. You're doing the same things, like a lot of the things are same as you did last year. Like last year you led with kindness and you gave people more chances. You had more faith in things, more faith in yourself even. That's the thing that you're going to repeat this year as well. But more it's about leading with love, leading with your heart, and you're feeling more confident this year. More stable also. I'm hearing safety, security, stability. Something about your root chakra is also coming to me here. It's like you're feeling more attracted towards brighter colors like red, deep purple, navy blue. Something about lilies, lilac is also coming to me. I'm hearing lilacs. I'm hearing lilies. I'm already tripping. My God, I'm sensing a lot of energy, like a lot of energy emanating out of your soul right now. It's magical. It's magnificent, truly. And because you have already decided some things to do in your life, I'm also hearing you have decided the places to go. Like you've decided like 4 or 5 places, and you still have to decide one place, but you already know what you're going to do. You already know the right direction. And that's why I was hearing your heart knows the right direction. Your heart is spoken for. Your heart is not like lost anymore, which is so beautiful because last year you felt a little lost. Last year you felt like you don't know which direction you were going towards. This year is going to be magical. And I know you can feel it inside your bones. You can feel it. And you have been getting a lot of messages, not just from me, but from other mediums as well. You have been receiving some sort of weird dreams lately. You have been also feeling kind of exhausted and overworked. You have been working too much this week, and just so many tasks to do. You have been meeting so many people as well. Your social battery is kind of short. It's like you really like, I mean, you enjoyed meeting all these people, but also you are craving some alone time, you're feeling a bit exhausted, overworked. I'm hearing overworked, overwhelmed as well. You feel overwhelmed, overstimulated, like so many things to do in such little time. You now recently, like just, I want to say just 1 or 2 days ago, you have been reconnected to your old hobbies as well. I really hope you can see me because I don't know, sun is hitting my face, which is also really significant. Wow, sun is the symbol of positivity, nourishment, really. This, you're going to spend a lot of time in sun as well. Maybe you have planned already, you have planned a trip, or there's going to be some trip coming soon. I can feel it. You're going to spend a lot of time in the sun, in the presence of a lot of positive people. And it's these positive people are going to find you. It's like you are not going to find them, and it feels like you have thrown out the list. That's so magical. It feels like you have thrown out the list outside. Like you had a list of all the checklist that I want these type of people, I want this type of person, and recently you have just thrown out the list and you're like, I'm not going to decide anything, everything is going to be decided for me. And last year you, why am I saying and a lot? Last year you might have judged yourself for being lazy in this way, but this is not laziness, this is surrender. And if you know, surrender is one of the most powerful frequencies in this entire universe. When you surrender and give yourself to the source energy, like decide everything for me, that's magical. That's when real magic happens, because you're surrendering yourself. You're no longer being a control freak. You're no longer deciding. You're no longer controlling the outcome. You're just letting it go. And it can be scary at first, but later you will know that this is the smartest thing that you have done in your entire life. Like, and you have done a lot of smart things in your life as well. So that's saying something. Something about your root chakra being stabilizing as well. Also, your crown chakra, I'm seeing you have been getting so many spiritual messages, so many. That's why I was saying dreams. I'm also hearing dreams are real in another universe. So just because you had such a good dream and you woke up and you felt like, oh, when am I going to achieve that? It is already done in some other universe. Like it is already done in 5D in the astral realm. Your chakras are aligning so beautifully. It's like you're finding the perfect piece. I am seeing wheels turning over and puzzle pieces fitting themselves and making a beautiful picture on its own. I'm seeing, I'm seeing, like, how in Harry Potter it was like they had some sort of like magic spell where they would just arrange things in a second, right? If you watched Harry Potter, you know that. I'm seeing that. I'm seeing like just doing a swish of a wand and everything is rearranged, like all the puzzle pieces falling into place, everything happening on its own, and everything happening in such a magical speed, because it happens really fast, right? That spell works really fast. That's what I'm seeing in my mind. That's like so beautiful. But for me, like for here, it's not like the places falling into place, not just the puzzle pieces, but it's more about your chakras aligning, more about your chakras like aligning on its own. And you have no idea what you have done. It's just happening in such divine timing. It's not an action that you took, it's not a book that you read, not a video that you watched. It's more spiritual. There is a divine ritual going on inside of you, inside your soul, and it's happening at such a source level that you and I, we are beyond this. Like we cannot understand this. It's happening on a higher level, and you can feel it. You can feel clarity hitting you out of the blue. It's like things that you were confused about last year, right now you can see it so clearly. Everything is like so clear to you right now. Sure, some decisions you are just putting off and you are thinking, okay, that's, I'm going to worry about that 2 months later. But or 3 months later, I'm hearing. But 444 could be really significant because I just heard it, 444. Why is my entire face itching? Especially my right side, which is the masculine side. Something about a masculine energy here as well. You're attracting a lot of attention from your opposite gender, whatever gender you're attracted towards. From that gender, you're attracting a lot of attention. I'm seeing like multiple masculine energies. Masculine energy can be a man or a woman, because we all have masculine and feminine energies, but I'm sensing a lot of like attraction sort of energy. So it's like the gender that you're attracted towards, like there are a lot of people looking at you, their energy is in your field. Maybe they are watching over you, like social media types, or it's literally like they are just thinking of you. you you don't need social media to be in someone's energetic field. You know that, right? You don't have to literally watch them or look at their picture. Just thinking of them puts you in their energetic field. That's what's happening here. It's like a lot of people are thinking of you right now. Something about the new year, but it's like, it's not just like, passing thought. It's very like meditative thought. It's like when you meditate over something, let's say you have a wish and you're meditating over it, like about this. Something about a job offer, promotion, raise is also coming to me. Interesting. And when you meditate over it, you are spending like 5 to 10 minutes focusing over that thought. And that's so powerful. That's how the people are meditating over you. That's what I'm hearing. That sounds very, but like in a very good way, not in a negative way at all. It's in a very good way. It's like, um when you think of someone and you feel like it would be so nice to spend time with them, like it would be so nice to have a conversation with them, that type of meditative, like people are meditating over you right now. Okay, let's see if there's something coming over for you. Immense extreme sort of energy here. It's like, oh my god, such immense energy. It's like a lot. It's like, if I had to compare this energy with something, I would compare it with the ocean. It's like an ocean of energy coming towards you. And you're like a very stable, your energy is kind of like a mountain right now. It's like very stable and just here, I'm here. I'm not going to move. That type of energy, but in a very good way. Like I said, that's why in the beginning I was like safety, something about stability is coming over. Very much about your nervous system as well. Like your nervous system has been overworked, overstimulated, but at the same time you're finding your own center. You're finding some time for yourself as well, not just for everyone else. Before it was just about everyone else, but now it's also about yourself. You have found like a sacred balance between doing things for other people, taking care of other people, and also taking care of yourself. That's why I was repeating and a lot. There are like two things happening at the same time. And you're finding this sacred, powerful balance. It's not just like, see, now I'm just getting it. I'm just itching over my left side, which is about feminine energy. Again, a sacred balance between masculine and feminine energy. Now you have really found that you can act, like you can take care of people and at the same time take care of yourself. You can give to people, you can also give your energy, but it is also so beautiful to receive energy from someone. It is so beautiful to give someone else the opportunity to make you feel special, to do something for you. You are giving more and more opportunities to other people to take care of you. Now you no longer feel guilty about it, guilty about receiving. That's so powerful. That's so powerful. You're literally sending the signal to the entire universe that I'm open to receiving, that you are open to receiving. And that's why you're like fast. Everything is happening so fast right now. Okay. I have made a ritual for you, which is about aligning all your chakras and basically like cleansing all your chakras. So, if you think that you need my help on this, if you feel really called to doing this ritual, I highly suggest you do this ritual. And this is a sacred time to do this because it's like triple one, like 11th of January. And also, something about this sacred time, beginning of the year and cleansing your chakras, aligning your chakras, and it's already happening inside of you already. And this ritual is going to help you even further. So if you feel called to doing this ritual, the link is down below, but I won't force you to do it. If you feel called to do this ritual, only then do it. It's $11 because it's 11. 11 was really significant. Man, my nose is itching so much. Like I said, that's why I'm feeling like an ocean of energy from you. It's, mark my words, this year is going to be magical in the best way possible. There are not, like, last year was all about lessons for you. It was like learning lessons and meeting wrong people and understanding the right things. But this year is going to be magical. It's going to be about sacred balance. It's also going to be about leading with love. Leading with love. Yes. The ritual is down below. The link is down below. And yes, I'll leave you to it. I'm so proud of you. I love you so much. I want to pat your heart. That's a very weird thing to say, but that's what I'm hearing. Like, I want to pat your heart and tell your heart, speak to your heart that your heart is doing such a good job. Your heart is doing so well. So keep going. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next message very, very soon.